Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its futuristic form and features that redefine mobile life, the 2026 Alfa Romeo Super Motorhome is an intriguing hypothetical concept that pushes the boundaries of traditional recreational vehicles and positions itself as the ultimate luxury RV. This hypothetical design would be Alfa Romeo's daring and surprising foray into the world of grand touring and luxurious mobility, carrying on the company's legendary heritage of beautiful design and thrilling performance. The 2026 Alfa Romeo Super Motorhome would surely draw notice from the outside thanks to its design language, which is a tasteful development of Alfa Romeo's La Meccanica dell'Emozione, the mechanics of emotion, philosophy. This vehicle would have a sculpted, aerodynamic profile, distinguished by flowing lines, muscular proportions, and a dynamic posture, in contrast to the functional aesthetic of conventional RVs. The recognizable Alfa Romeo tri-lobe grille would be redesigned on a larger scale and smoothly incorporated with cutting-edge headlamps, possibly laser matrix, that add to the aggressive and futuristic fascia. Custom alloy wheels and carbon fiber embellishments, which are frequently found on their high-performance sports vehicles, would highlight its opulent and performance-focused heritage. Large, panoramic electrochromic glass panels that could instantly change their hue would dissolve the conventional barrier between the inside and outside and offer stunning vistas while preserving privacy. The interior of the 202 has been painstakingly designed to represent the ultimate in luxury and technical integration. The phrase futuristic design would describe a luxurious yet simple cabin with every surface and control being both aesthetically beautiful and logically useful. An atmosphere of unmatched refinement would be created by using high-end materials like polished aluminum, exotic woods that are sourced sustainably, soft Italian leather, and perhaps even integrated smart glass surfaces. Living, dining, and sleeping areas may all be rearranged thanks to the modular and flexible layout. Imagine a cutting-edge gourmet kitchen equipped with intelligent refrigeration, filtered water, and induction cooking. With a king-sized bed that can be adjusted in firmness, sophisticated climate control, and an integrated entertainment system, the master suite would be a haven of comfort. With its touchless fixtures and smart showers, the bathroom would compete with a five-star hotel. Its ultimate luxury would be defined by its futuristic features, in addition to its aesthetic appeal. This RV would have cutting-edge connectivity, utilizing 5G technology to enable remote vehicle monitoring, smart home automation, and smooth internet access. Everything from lighting and climate control to reservation help and travel planning would be handled by an easy-to-use concierge system driven by artificial intelligence. Long trips would be easy and safe with the help of sophisticated driver assistance technologies that are tailored for a car this size. These systems would include automated parking, completely autonomous highway driving, and thorough obstacle recognition. An advanced hybrid or full electric drivetrain that offers quiet operation, remarkable range, and quick charging capabilities, all in line with future sustainability goals, would probably power this mobile palace. The 2026 Alfa Romeo Super Motorhome would essentially be a statement rather than merely a vehicle. It would demonstrate a way of life that combines the excitement of the open road with the conveniences and modern conveniences of an upscale luxury home. Everything contained in an incredibly futuristic and distinctively Alfa Romeo design.